In today's video, I'm going to teach you Wix Screen Size Tutorial, how to make your Wix website look good on all screen sizes. To follow along, open your site in the Wix editor. Once the editor loads, watch for the highlighted prompts on the canvas and the left toolbar. These callouts will guide you to the panels we'll use to keep your design consistent across desktops, tablets, and phones. Start by opening the Add panel from the left side. When you see the highlight, click it to reveal your elements. We'll walk through a few key categories because they behave a little differently on smaller screens. Open Image and check how your pictures are placed. For best results, keep important images inside a container section or a box rather than floating freely. That way, they scale with the section and maintain padding on narrow screens. Next, open Button. Buttons should be large enough to tap on mobile and aligned within the grid. If your button looks cramped, increase padding in its design settings instead of stretching it edge to edge. Move to Decorative and Box. Decorative shapes are great accents, but keep them inside a box container so multiple items can resize together. Boxes also help you lock spacing, which prevents overlaps when the layout gets tighter. Open Social and Embed code. Social icons should be grouped and aligned as a single row so they wrap neatly on mobile. With embeds, choose responsive options whenever available, and set sensible minimum heights so the content doesn't jump. Follow the highlight to the next panel and add Wix Site Search. This component helps visitors find content fast. Place it near the header, and make sure the input and button remain readable on small screens. Then, open Blog Pages, Store Pages, and Members area. These are pre-built layouts that respond well, but it's still worth checking headings, lists, and product cards for legibility and spacing. As you continue clicking the highlighted areas, use the device previews to scan your pages. Tidy up alignment, keep text within the safe margins, and avoid fixed width elements unless absolutely necessary. Images that are mostly decorative can be hidden on mobile to speed things up, while critical visuals should remain visible and centered. When everything looks good, hit Publish. After publishing, click View Site to see the live version. Then, resize your browser to double-check that your sections, media, and buttons adapt smoothly. That's it. Your Wix website now looks great on any